Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Susie the Magpie and Derpy the Tiger from K-pop Demon Hunters. So we're going to get started with Susie the Magpie on the top. We're going to get started with the hat. We're going to curve this line over and across towards the right. We're going to start from that point now, curving this over and then back down on the side. Let's close off the top of the hat. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around, back down on the right. Now let's close off the face. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line over for the back of the head. We're going to curve this line down slightly on the right. For the beak, we're going to curve this back, around, and in towards the side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this down towards the bottom, over towards the left. Let's close off the beak. On the top, we're going to curve this line down. And then from the bottom, we're going to curve that over towards that corner. Now in the center, we're going to bring this line over and through towards the left. And now let's come down and draw in the three eyes. So on the top, we're going to draw in a small circle. Let's drop down again. Let's replicate that right in the center. And then let's drop down again one more time. Now in the middle of each eye, we're just going to draw in a small circle right in the center. And we're just going to color that in black. Now let's draw in the wings. So from the corner on the top, we're going to arch this line around and up on the left. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line down, up, and then back over towards the top. Now in the center, let's draw in a nice big oval. And then moving directly back in towards the middle, we're going to just draw in another oval. To the right of this, let's arch this line across. In the center, let's draw in a circle. Let's move over. We're going to connect this half circle on the right-hand side. And then we're just going to flip over and draw in another circle directly on the left. Now let's move underneath and draw in Derpy Tiger's head. So from this corner, we're going to curve this line up. And we're going to bring this down on the left. We're going to move behind Susie Magpie here. We're just going to curve this around and then down on the right. On the left-hand side from that corner, we're going to curve this around for the cheek, bringing that in towards the bottom. And then we're just going to do the same on the right, curving this around and through towards the middle, leaving a gap. In this open space here now, we're just going to draw in the chin. So we're going to curve this up on the right. Let's close off the ears. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line up. From that point, we're going to bring this over and down towards the top. Let's step over. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And then again, from that point, we're just going to bring this over and down. Let's step up in the middle, curving this over towards the point on the top. And then we'll do the same on the left, curving this around and down. Let's add in some details on the face. So we're going to start with the nose, and it's going to kind of curve around like this from the center. So we're going to start in the middle, and we're going to curve this over and down on the right. And then underneath, we're going to arch this over and through towards the top. Let's draw on the nostril. Left-hand side, curving this out. Right-hand side, replicating that. Let's continue to come up. We're going to draw in our first circle on the bottom. We're going to move up again in towards the middle, drawing in our second circle. And then we're going to move up again one more time, drawing in our last circle. Now from here, we're going to draw in the markings on the head. So stepping across, we're going to curve this line over towards the right. We're going to move up on a diagonal on the left-hand side, replicating that, making this one slightly longer. Now from here, we're going to curve this around and down in the corner. And then we're going to do the same on the right-hand side. Let's move up again. From the middle now on the right, we're going to curve this line over. We're going to step up on a diagonal on the left, replicating that. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this back up and down on the side. Let's move down and draw in the eyes now. So coming up from the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the right. We're going to step up now on the top, curving this around and then down on the side. Let's come up on that curve here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and through towards the top. And then from the side here, we're going to arch this around and then down in the corner. Let's thicken it up on the top here. So on the top, we're going to curve this over and down on the right. We're going to do the same on the left. So we're going to curve this up and through on the side. And now let's draw on the eye. So from the corner on the top here, we're going to arch this over and down. And then from the side, we're going to curve this back around and in towards the bottom. Let's thicken this line up on the top. So we're going to curve this over and in. We're just going to color in the corner black. We're going to do the same on the top in this open space here. Let's draw out a circle now in the corner. So we're going to arch this line around and through towards the side. And then starting back on the top, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And we're just going to color this in black. Let's move over on the left. Starting from the side, we're going to curve this line up and out towards the left. And then from that point, we're going to curve this around and then back down. Now from the side, let's curve this line up, and then we're going to bring this over and through towards the top, thickening that up. And again, just coloring this portion in black. And then moving out, doing the same on the top. Now let's draw in our left eye. So we're going to draw in another circle right over on the left-hand side. And then we're going to draw in another highlight on the right-hand side, curving this around and through. And then again, just coloring this in black. Now let's move underneath for the mouth. From the nose on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. We're going to do the same thing on the right, arching that over. Let's draw in the teeth now. So we're going to curve this line out, bringing that back in for the fang. We'll do the same on the right, curving this down and then bringing that back in towards the middle. Let's close off the side now. On the right, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same thing on the left, extending this further out. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this around, back in, coloring that in black. Then we're going to do the same on the right from that corner, curving this around, back in towards the tooth, again, coloring that portion in black. Let's come underneath now. We're going to arch this line down, back up on the side. Let's draw in some more teeth. So we're going to draw in a small triangle on the left. We're going to do the same on the right. Let's drop down. We're going to draw in another triangle on the left-hand side, and then as well on the right. And then in the center for the tongue, we're going to curve this up and over towards the tooth, extending that down on the left. And then on the right-hand side, curving this around and then down. And then coming in behind in that free space and just again coloring this part in black. Let's draw in our body now. So coming in behind on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that in. We're going to draw on the foot behind, so we're going to curve this around for the first toe, bringing that up, stepping over, arching this around and in. And then again, stepping over one more time, curving this around, through, and then back up. Now in this open space, we're just going to curve this line around, back in for the leg bending. We'll come in and add the details after. We're just going to focus on the shape of the body first. So let's come down for the right leg. We're going to curve this over. We're going to arch this around and in for the first paw. Let's curve this line up and across. Let's step over in the middle, curving this up and down. And then one more time, just curving this up and across. And then on the top, we're just going to arch this line over. Beside this on the left, curving this out. Now let's connect this. So we're going to curve this through towards the back leg. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and through for the left foot. And do the same, curving this around and across. And then again, one more time, curving this around and up. And then closing off the leg, just arching this around and then back in. Lastly, let's draw in our tail. So we're going to come over on the right. Behind, we're going to curve this out, over, and in. We're going to continue to extend this. We're going to start back on this line, curving this around, up, and over towards the middle. And then now from here, again, we're just going to start back on this line, curving this around and through towards the top. Now let's move beside that. We're going to curve this around, up and over, And then we're just gonna follow the shape of the tail. So we're gonna start back on the top line here, curving this around and then back in. And now let's come in and add our details. We'll start on the left-hand side, working our way back. So on the left-hand side, we're just gonna draw on a curved line that comes across. We're gonna do that 3 times in total. On the right-hand side, let's arch this line around and then down. Now let's step up and draw on our circles. So on the left-hand side, we're gonna draw on a half circle, connecting that on the side. Let's step in, drawing in another circle, moving across, and then coming down, replicating that again on the right. Now let's step up. On the side, we're gonna curve this line down and do the same on the right. And then let's move down again, curving this up and through on the side. Let's draw on the claws up above now. So from that point, we're gonna curve this out and then back down, coloring that in black. Let's step over. Do the same on the right. And then again on the right-hand side, curving that out and then back down. Let's come over on the right-hand side now for the underbelly, curving that up. Let's draw on some of the stripes here. So we're gonna draw on a curved line coming up and then back down. Stepping up one more time, let's curve this out and then back through. Let's come across now and we're gonna curve this line over. Let's draw on the claws again. So we're just going to curve this line up and then back down. Let's draw on some more stripes behind now. So on the back leg here, we're gonna curve this line out, back through towards the right. Let's step up, we're gonna curve this line down towards the middle, and then from that point, curving this up and over on the side. Let's step down and towards the middle, curving this around and through towards the bottom. And then from that point, curving this up and then over on the left. And let's step down one more time, curving this down and then back in towards the head. And then lastly, we're just gonna draw on the pattern on the tail. So right on the top here, we're gonna curve this line down. Let's step across, we're gonna bring this line out, up and in. Moving down again, replicating that. Save an even amount of space, curving this around and down. Let's step across, curving this up and through. We're gonna replicate this now, just making these smaller as we come down, just creating small arch lines, leaving an even gap as we come across. Now as we come in towards the bend, we're gonna start to curve them out and then down. And then again, continuing this as we come down on the bottom, finishing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Susie the Magpie and Derpy Tiger from K-Pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.